So today I thought we'd do a little catch up on the walls in Chateau Santiago that we live in, the fifth wheel, and a few of the walls in Hilo Little Mo. So this is a little bathroom, box of a bathroom, toilet room, really, toilette. And that was one of the first walls we used to peel and stick paper on. Really easy to get wrinkles in it. Super hard to deal with, but we made it work. At least it was very sticky, and the design was pretty easy to match up and line up with the border. You want to line it up and smooth it out. Always make sure you have as clean a surface as possible. In the kitchen, did a similar thing, totally different design. The hexagon gold tiles, that's what I wanted in there. And you're going to cut around your receptacles, and it really is so simple as long as you have a straight edge and a knife. Now this is in the bathroom of Hilo Little Mo. Went with a different kind of mosaic tile. I'm choosing all of these patterns that are really forgiving. In areas where there's going to be humidity, a lot of times I'll use caulk and putty to fill in some holes, and the adhesive to help it stick better to the walls, because honestly it's already humid in Texas and it doesn't need any encouragement to fall off. Now these are the walls in the kitchen that I prepped with a lot of putty, and John helped with that too. And then we realized we didn't really need it because we went with these 3D tiles. You'll see how those are pasted on the wall. So this is how I cut these corners in, and around the edge here. Okay. It's gonna be in a wet area. I'll put some extra glue back there. So now, clean this up a little bit. Yeah. So it looks like right there. Much better. I love how it's so forgiving of the texture. You can get really tell far off from how it is so far. What we got over here, pretty happy. It's gonna turn out great. So unfortunately that was one of the few install videos that I have of the peel and stick wall treatments, but it pretty much gives you the idea. We're going to use the razor blade to cut around objects, and it's really easy to deal with in that sense, that you cut it out in pieces. I would prefer smaller areas to do. Like this is in the TV accent window wall in Hilo Little Mo, you'll see later. And you're gonna cut out once again for the lights and the speakers, and then mount them, and then you peel and stick the it's like a contact paper, I guess, wallpaper. It works really well. I can't say it's always the easiest stuff to deal with, but it works. It definitely works. And the end results, the proof is in the pudding. Try it out. Let me know how it works for you.